Hello, today I will show you how to check all process running in Windows. This can be useful to make sure that no suspicious processes are running. By using the process names, it is possible to search the internet for information about what the process is, whether it is dangerous, and whether it is necessary, because unnecessary processes can be stopped and not used in the future, which can speed up the computer's performance. Let's open the command prompt program. Through this program I will show you how to get a list of all the processes running on your computer. I will write the command task list, which will return all processes. You can save this list of processes to a file if necessary.